grow up with the leaf. Here is leaf. It's small leaf come up. The young leaf and look nice. In this video, I will show how to germinate the durian seed, and this is durian seed that from this is durian. Before germinate, so I need to clean up the seed. Okay, now it's ready clean. I will show how to germinate the durian seed. So I will write down the name on the plastic bag, and this is the plastic bag, and I use the correction pen to write down. Easy to recognize which one is durian, which one is jackfruit. Before germinate the durian seed into the bag soil, so now I would like to show how to mix the soil first. Topsoil 70%, and this topsoil is dry under sunlight in dry condition, and mix with white charcoal 30%. And then start to mix like this. Okay, so now the soil is ready mixed. This is the plastic bag. I write down the name on the bag, easy to recognize. So I start to prepare the soil into the bag. Okay, one bag is done. Durian. Okay, 4 bag now is ready. Durian. Now I start to germinate the durian seed into the bag soils. Durian seed I already washed, and now I start to germinate. Okay, into the bag soil. In the bag I put 2. Now it's ready. After germinate durian seed into the bag soil, so now I use the cocoa fiber. This is the cocoa fiber to cover on the bag soil. To cover on the like this on the top of the bag soil. Benefit: water will wait longer and reduce the sun heat, and when watering not attack on the sprout. Okay, 4 bag is ready. I watering. This durian seed I have germinated into the bag soil for 2 weeks. So now the durian seed start to grow up, and this didn't see the leaf yet, and this one the leaf will come out soon. Here is the leaf. And look very beautiful. This bag also grow up. All didn't see the leaf come out yet. Now my durian start to grow up with the leaf. Here is leaf. Small leaf come up. The young leaf, and look nice. Thank you for watching my gardening video. Consider subscribe for more update. See you soon. Bye.